Okay, for the set spawn, um, we're gonna test for stuff. So we did that. We have to return false, and team T is equal to team. Okay, no, never mind. If team.get team args 0 is equal to null, so if it tries to get the team but it fails, so if the thing it will return null if it does, it cannot find anything, by the way. Chat util dot send message unknown team, like that, and then return false here. Remember the returning, or else it will throw an error, throw a stack trace that you will have to look at, and I'm not going to help you look at that. You don't want me to point out your pity excuse for getting a mistake done. So as you can see now, we just got the team. I'm gonna make a file. We're just gonna make an alias for the walls.data, and then data.set arenas dot plus p.get world.get name plus dot spawns dot plus args 0 plus dot plus integer dot parse int args 1 plus dot x. That's gonna be p.get location dot get x. Now that was the x location. Now we're gonna set the y and z. I was gonna set the yaw and pitch, by the way, which we're gonna do now. This will be yaw, get yaw, like that, and then pitch, p.get pitch. Now I have no clue. I thought we had this command under control, but apparently not. I'm terribly sorry. I've probably used this too many times without noticing. Then we do settings dot. Hang on. Do we actually use the team? Oh yeah. Settings dot get instance dot save data, and then we do chat util dot send message spawn plus args 1 plus set for team plus t.get color plus t.get name, like that, basically. And then we are gonna go into the team class, and I'm gonna check if this contains the get spawns method, and does contain the x z. So we're basically just gonna copy this, gonna change this to a float yaw, and it's gonna get an int dot yaw. I have no clue how getting an int works when int is just a number without a decimal, but it works, so we're gonna use it. Get pitch, so xyz yaw pitch, like that. So that's gonna return that location when you can teleport. Now we're gonna go into walls and arena commands. Probably need the save arena so you can actually edit the arena itself. Set spawn and check for the plugin of YML. Does it have the set spawn? No, it does not. Set spawn permission walls.admin, like that. And we are just gonna basically export that. See how we're doing on time. 4 minutes in. It's fine. 4 minutes. That's quite good. We're gonna do slash reload slash edit a okay, slash set spawn. It's add spawn. Well, you know what? Set spawn. Apparently you can. I fixed it, so now you can do reloads. So it was probably just the flat world being messed up. Now slash edit arena walls 2. Slash. Okay, so we've set that. So we only need to set the spawn for the teams. So I'm just gonna set 2 spawns for red and 2 spawns for blue in the same place. Ooh. Look at all that beautiful stuff. Now, what I've forgotten to do, I've started with the fancy stuff without actually checking and making good chests. But we will make some good chests and contents for that. We will take the code from this Survival Games plugin. Slash set spawn for red. And then set 1, 2, 1, 1, 2. We just need 2 spawns because else it will return something. So we will check for that later. Now we're just gonna do slash reload wolves join slash join 1 slash vote 1 slash f start. Okay, so let's see if the walls will drop in 30 seconds. It's gonna lag us the shit out. I am aware. It might even crash. No, it won't, because the amount of walls that are here is not enough to crash the entire server. You know how I know? I've deleted quite the chunks myself with World Edit, and Jesus, it was not async World Edit, it was before that time, and Jesus, that was, well, that wasn't even close to lag. It just needs to load the chunk. Uh, yeah, this is what happened last time. This is quite annoying. Is this because there's no players loaded here? Oh, it is. But this wall is not removed. But all the other walls were, so I'm guessing it's fine. It's probably me just messing up. It did not say jump. Ah! Jesus! Oh my god, I can't even punch you! Okay, there we go. Okay. What would happen now is gonna throw a big chunk glitch at us because there's gonna be no players left. Actually, nothing happened. Well, I'm not really sure why nothing happened. Oh well, that should have worked. Now we can actually just do reload. That's quite interesting that you can reset the whole game by reloading. I find that very interesting. But yeah, that was quite cool. As you can see, that worked. But I want to do one more thing before we end off, and that's in the walls.java. No, it's on the join listener, lobby listener. On join, um, if uh, gamer.getGamers.size is more than 2. Okay, let's say 4 because we need 4 teams. Well, we can do only 2 teams and 2 players or 4 players, but it's fine. So if it's more than 4, we're gonna do GameState.setState GameState dot. Oh shit! No, set can start. Set. No, you're right. Never mind. We're gonna go into walls. And we're gonna add a the public static boolean can start. And we're gonna go into here. We're gonna do walls.canStart is equal to true. We're gonna set can start to true, and on walls on enable or on disable. Uh, can we do this? Get gamers. The size is 1 and 2. We can get a config for this later. I'm gonna do can start is equal to true. We will set can start to false actually. Um, so and then start pre-game countdown on enable. Uh, Here it's a big on enable. Here we go. Instead of start pre-game countdown, we're gonna do bucket dot get scheduler dot schedule sync repeating task new runnable. We might need to make this make an ID for this. So we're gonna run every 15 seconds and public void run. Then if gamer.get gamers the size is more than 2 and can start to true. So actually, which means uh, uh, that we might need to do, where is it, on a disable here. We won't need this because, and we won't need the lobby. We won't even need this. We don't need the can start, and the can start is not going to be used. That because that's gonna check if the amount of online players um is 2 or more than 2. So more equal to 2, I'll say, because that means that if it's 2 or more, it's gonna start the pre-game countdown. So we don't need this to keep going at us when we don't even have a ready game to start. Yes, let's see. We can get a config for this, but I don't think I can be bothered. But as you see, the world edit thing worked. Now it's, I don't know why it's echoing 1 minute. I don't see, I need to fix that because I don't like it. Let's see. It doesn't happen in survival games. I don't see any. It says 0 minutes. Uh, and safe pre-time is more than 60. It keeps saying seconds, but why is it saying no minutes? Why is it saying seconds and then minutes? But I will test this. You are not gonna be Entity Witch. Do we have a witch in that game? Okay, but next time I think we'll be doing tag API or chests. I am not sure yet. But yeah, thanks for watching. I'm looking forward to coding you more, coding to teaching you more about how to code a minigame. There's a lot of stuff coming into it, and at some point you can actually just start doing it yourself. But I find that we have to finish this because I don't like just doing something and then stopping. I don't like that. So next time, yeah, let's do tag API. I want to do tag API. So yeah, thanks for watching. Bye bye.